Old farmhouse fence style where the corners overlap each other. We're repurposing a large mirror. This is a big one. It's 40 inches wide, 68 inches long. We've got a really rustic idea for this mirror using some old timbers I picked up last year. If we cut it 5 3/4, that'll be dead center. The edge is kind of a live edge on this one. We've got 51 on this side, 51.5 on that side. And that'll give us a 2-inch overhang on the mirror on all 4 corners. All right, so we've got all our lap joints done on all 4 corners. The next thing I want to tackle are the 2 saw cut edges. I've got to rough them up a little bit. Grinder with a pretty aggressive wire wheel on it. Cut a groove in the bottom horizontal and the top horizontal. So that gets us a cut wide enough to slide the mirror in there. All right, got all the wood coated with the ebony stain. Don't know what to make of it yet. Still have to apply 2 coats of clear satin finish, which might help it out. But for now, let's get it all glued, silicone, and clamped together with the mirror. All right, back the next morning. Now I can remove the clamps and start applying the final clear coat. Decided to go with Minwax polyurethane fast drying satin finish. It'll match the stain. It was also a Minwax product, ebony satin finish on here. We'll probably get 2 coats on it. I'm doing it outside so it dries a little faster in the sun. It's looking pretty good. It's hard to get the big picture until you actually hang it on a wall, but it's pretty funky. I'll try to get up high and get a more of an overhead shot. All right, so I got it back in the shop now. The last thing I got to deal with is the damage on the back side of the mirror. To hide that, all I've done is cut some strips of the same material, stained it up, and I'm gonna just slide it in there and use a few finishing nails to drive into it, and you can see that it hides that damage completely. I've got another one for that side. So I'm not sure what the weight is on this. It's definitely got some weight now. It's about, my guess would be 60 pounds. I think I'll throw it on Marketplace, see if we can get at least the labor out of it. We did save a mirror. We used up some timbers that we had. So all in all, it was a great project. We're gonna do a whole lot more of these as we do come across tons of building materials that can be reused. This will be a great series. If you like that kind of stuff, make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you like the video, hit the like button, and hopefully we'll see you on the next one.